You can't stop. You can't. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go with the flow of traffic. I don't care if you gotta get over. They're never gonna let you in. Come on. Come on, now go. Yeah. Good job causing a traffic jam, you idiot. If you actually pick up speed, you can be fine.
No, you want somebody right for that way.
Oh, they didn't see him sitting there. Guess what? Dad's probably going home. Yep. Dummy.
Get in your lane.
Organic potatoes.
Oh,
Organic potatoes.
I don't like organic.
Yo!
Oh!
No, follow her right now. Go.
Hey, pull the.
No,
Pull over!
don't yell. Turn beside.
I belong with the birds.
Hey, Aubrey, got a smoke race going on.
No, some stupid old man did
Let's scoop. What are we doing? He's giving up. Oh, no, he's going back for more. Oh, we got another stoplight. Oh, man.
Yes, it is. Yes.